now the moment you've all been waiting for. The car you'll be taking around the track today, the brand new Kia Stinger.
When I think of a Kia, I don't think of this.
It's better looking than I expected.
My preconceptions of Kia, when I look at them, they don't feel like this and they do not look like this.
They definitely don't look like this.
We've got 2 tests we're going to do today. First, we're going to take you out on the road so you can experience what the car's like. And then as we're at Cadwell Park, I think it's going to be rude not to take you for a couple of hot laps this afternoon.
Yeah.
Ready?
Sounds good.
Let's go.
What is the actual gearbox like?
It's very fast, very efficient. It's on demand, which is great. It's very good.
I could fit about 3 more people at the front here. That's how much space I've got.
Feels really steady and easy on the road. I mean, I do feel safe in here.
I think it's got a nice roar to it. You'll find out this afternoon when we're on the track. Right then, gang. Time for the fast bit. Let's get this baby out on track.
Operating like this, mate.
I love this car!
It's just comfortable cruising around on the road and then hooning it around on the track. It's really awesome.
This is like a proper sports car. It looks the real deal.
Very attractive to look at. Sitting inside was beautiful, beautiful cabin space.
Really fast, really quick, and totally amazing.